And welcome back to Danny's World. Today we're going to be baking a vanilla cake with some olive oil and some pancake spray, sprinkles, milk, 3 eggs, and frosting with fish sprinkles. First we gotta wash our hands down the water. Almost done. Now I gotta dry my hands. First step is to heat the oven at 350 degrees. For that, I'm going to have my dad help me.
Come on by. Safety first. Get baked. 350 degrees, ready to go. That's it.
So we're going to start mixing with my favorite bowl that I also use for popcorn. I'm going to add the cake batter first. That's a lot. Okay, next we add 1 cup of milk. It smells so good. Is there any more in there? No. And then next we add the olive oil, I think. Now we mix it. Now we add the eggs. Yeah, that's a lot. Actually goes anyway. Look at those delicious sprinkles. That was me. And add the other ones. Those are delicious too.
Oh, Danny, looks like the oven's ready.
The oven's ready. Is cocoa in the sprinkles? There you go.
Kind of looks like slime.
Oh yeah, it does. And this one's the glitter. I think I need more sprinkles. Here's the finished batter. Looks so good. Do y'all want some? Here you go. Eat it. Now time to pour it in here after we spray the pancake spray. There you go.
Sure, spread it all out. There you go. On the edges. Inside, not put it outside the edges.
I think that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Right.
Time to take this thing out. That's a lot of sprinkles.
Now make sure you...
Look, you can pull that. Looks right there. In that corner, look, there's like, since I added so much of that paint, of that butter spray, like, it was like, whenever it was going on, it like blended together.
You can make sure to even it all out.
Right here, there's a lot more than right here. So,
all right. That's it. So what do we have to do next?
We have to lick the bowl.
Before that.
Okay, we have to put it in the oven.
Okay.
Cook for a little bit.
All right, guys. This is the finished. Not finished. This is the mix ready to go in the oven. Go ahead and put it in now.
So hot, I can't get that close.
All right.
That looks so good.
And just give it about 20-30 minutes.
Bye bye, precious cake. All done with the frosting. Now it's sprinkle time. What's y'all's favorite color in here? Mine's the pink one, the blue one, and the purple one. I don't like the orange one and the green one. Guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to Danny's World. Here's the finished cake.